guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a perm rod set tutorial featuring the newly launched styling collection from Afro Sheen. Now I am going to be using 3 products for this look: a leave-in, a cream gel, and a foam, while also using a mix of beige and orange rods for this look. Now I am going to layer my products onto the hair and lightly detangle that section before I begin wrapping the hair on the rod. And to do so, I always put the rod to the root of my hair and then I begin wrapping it around while also rotating my wrist to create a spiral-like curl. Now I'm not going to fully narrate this video only because I really want you guys to pay attention to what's happening in the actual tutorial itself, but I am going to include text here and there just to make sure that you guys are keeping up with what is going on. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that red button down there and keep on watching. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I really hope that you all enjoyed. Please do not leave out of here without hitting that red button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.